Activating eSIM on Android is a straightforward process that allows you to connect to a cellular network without using a physical SIM card. To begin, ensure your Android device supports eSIM technology and that your carrier offers eSIM plans. First, go to your device settings and select the Connections or Mobile Network option. This may vary depending on the device manufacturer. Look for the Advanced or Mobile Network settings and select it. Next, choose the Add or Edit Mobile Network option and then select Add eSIM or Add Mobile Plan. If prompted, scan the QR code provided by your carrier or manually enter the eSIM details. If you do not have the QR code, you can enter the SMDP address and confirmation code provided by your carrier. Then select Add or Next to proceed. Wait for the eSIM to activate. This may take a few minutes. Once activated, you can manage your eSIM plans, including enabling or disabling data roaming, setting data limits, and configuring other network settings. To switch between eSIM and physical SIM cards, go to the Mobile Network settings and select the desired SIM card. It is essential to note that not all Android devices support eSIM, so check your device specifications before attempting to activate eSIM. Additionally, eSIM plans and availability vary by carrier and region, so contact your carrier for more information on their eSIM offerings. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can successfully activate eSIM on your Android device and enjoy the convenience and flexibility of a digital SIM card. Remember to always follow best practices and consult your carrier or device manufacturer for specific instructions and guidance.